Guys, how are you all? Hope you guys are having fun during the summer vacation. No? Yeah, I know the heat must be really bothering everybody, and especially the coming days are going to be really intense, guys. A heat wave is going to hit some parts of India, or did it actually hit? Anyway, today I'm going to tell some precautionary measures that you can follow in order to protect yourselves from the heat stroke. And let's start and let's beat the heat. Guys, like most of the people are saying, try to avoid going out between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., the peak hour. And in case if you're stepping out, carry your umbrellas, your hats, and sunglasses. And half an hour before you step out, apply a sunscreen that got broadband spectrum and that got SPF 50, which is ideal for Indian skin. I think I made a video on this, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll talk about this topic later, so keep watching my videos. And what else? Guys, ensure you wear loose fitted clothes which are light in color, and keep hydrating yourself. Hydration doesn't mean that drinking gallons of water. No, that is not what I meant by hydration, guys. It's not just important to hydrate yourself, but also to protect your electrolytes. That is also very important. So I would recommend you to switch to infused water or consume a lot of tender coconut water or buttermilk, masala chas, fruit juices. So these are some drinks that you can, by which you can just not hydrating yourself but also protecting your salts. Okay, and try to avoid caffeinated drinks and soft drinks, I mean the carbonated drinks, and especially alcohol. Okay, guys, and always ensure you have ORS sachets ready at home. The not the one which comes under carton, that is not ORS, that is just a sugar, guys. So ORS comes with a label WHO. I think it comes with orange or white color. Those are the ones which are WHO recommended ones. So you can just mix it in water and consume. And avoid spicy food and foods that are high in sugar, salt, and oily food. Even though leaky prep tempts you, don't go for it. Okay. Just kidding, guys. And try to limit your meat intake, especially the red meat. And take light food, guys, like your cucumbers, watermelon, ice apple, the seasonal fruit, don't miss it. And food that is rich in probiotic, like your curd rice and fermented rice, guys. Some people think fermented rice will add to your weight. No, guys, it's fermented and it got a lot of probiotics, so it's definitely good for your gut. So definitely include that in your diet. And what else, guys? So, and in case if you have senior citizens or kids, as I already told you, keep ORS sachets, electoral powders ready at home. Keep your necessary medicines, the first aid ready at home, and have thermometer and BP apparatus ready at home. Okay, these are the, I mean, senior citizens and kids are highly prone for heat stroke, so please be careful when it comes to them. And how do you know that a person is sick from heat stroke? Is he feels dizzy, he feels flushed, he feels nauseatic. So in case if you see these symptoms, immediately let the person rest in a well ventilated room under AC or something that cools his body, and give lots of fluids, and then go for a medical advice, guys. Do not ignore that, and especially check his temperature, very important. Okay, so guys, and apart from this, I would like to give you a important tip. There is something called as Gond Katira, which is like a crystal. So you can just soak that overnight, and then the next day it turns into jelly. So you can add that in your desserts. That got a good cooling effect. And also your sabja seeds, the basil seeds, I mean. So you can soak that 15 to 30 minutes earlier, and then you can just add that in your in your juices or buttermilk. That will also help you to beat the heat. So these are some tips that I personally follow to protect myself from heat, and also my family from the heat stroke. My family in the sense the Leaky Preps family. Okay, so take care, guys. Keep hydrating, and protect yourselves from the heat stroke. Summer is meant for memories, not for illness. All right, take care. Bye bye.